with my hands, I could do something bigger than myself. The FAME program teaches you everything you need to know to thrive and flourish in your field of work. My name's Noah Ligon. I'm here at the FAME program. I am a student here at Southern Union. I work at SiO2, which is my sponsor for the FAME program. The skills I've learned here are all mechanical, and I've learned a lot more digital as well. This next semester that we've done, I started learning how to do PLC programming and learning how to control lights and other things. At my plant, I have my own mentor. He is one of the best people I've ever known. And our teachers here, Mr. Baker, are very great. We work 3 days a week and we come here 2 days a week. Hopefully the next step is to get hired on full time at my plant and grow and learn with my mentor and my other coworkers. If someone were to ask me if they needed to join the FAME program, I would tell them definitely, because it is such a great program here at Southern Union and you take so many skills away from this program.
My name is Hayden Adderholt, and I am a maintenance technician here at RAPA. I went through the FAME program in 2020 as Southern Union's first cohort. The FAME program is basically, you take a lot of leadership skills and a lot of professionalism, and you make an advanced manufacturing technician boot camp out of it. I'd say some of the best key points of the FAME program were a lot of in-class hands-on learning, paired with going to work every other day and actually taking what you learned in the classroom and then applying it to real life. It's a really good path as long as you are determined and want to learn and have the drive to do it. There are a lot of local opportunities for students coming out of the FAME program, so I would highly recommend for anyone who's interested.